Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a super easy, super doable Halloween costume look, and it is a she-wolf. I think it's super cute, super fun. Happy Halloween, everyone. This is probably the last Halloween costume that I'll do on my channel for now, unless there are some other requests lying around that people still want me to do. But it is Halloween, so might as well go all out and look super spooky. So if you want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. Alright, to start off this werewolf look, we are starting with a clean face, and we're just going to start drawing in some hair strokes with some black liquid liner. So I'm just going to start just randomly adding them in all like around the perimeters of my face. And I'm also just going to kind of take them up where my contour would normally go. And down here. Alright, now I'm just taking a spoolie and I'm just going to kind of brush my brow hairs upwards just so they look kind of wispy and crazy. And then I'm going to take the same liner and add in some brow strokes just so we have really crazy brows. Alright, now I'm just going to take some brown liquid liner from e.l.f. and just add some more lines just so there's some different colors in there. Alright, now just taking the black liner, I'm going to draw in a nose. So basically what I did a straight line on the top and then a rounded bottom. Now I'm just filling it in. Using the same liner, I'm going to draw a triangle in my inner corner just to give some more animal-like eyes. And after that, you can just draw a normal winged liner. Alright, now I'm just going to apply some mascara. Alright, now I'm just going to add in some highlights using a white liner. And now I'm just going to draw a line down to my Cupid's bow, just to look a little bit more dog-like. And now I'm just going to contour my nose a little bit using some butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. And now for my lip, I'm going to take this cool toned brown lipstick. It's from Smashbox. It's called Warrior Pose. Alright, and this look is complete. I think it's super easy and doable. Drawing lines on your face like this is actually super fun, so definitely try it out. I know Halloween's today. I don't know if you have any parties over the weekend that you can try out this look, or maybe you're looking for a last-minute costume right now. This is the look to do, okay? So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out my Instagram @SophiaDoingMakeup. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.